Okay. For those who didn't memorize yet the Akaun Kawalan belum terima, maybe you can refer over here. Actually got the two pattern. I'm teaching you the easiest pattern here, Okay. So for the I teach you that which is the easiest pattern. Maklumat yang berikut. So only giving you the perkataan. Okay. So if you want to harder a bit, so which is the from the buku catatan pertama. Okay. Soalan Akaun Kawalan. Wait maybe I search then can buku teks got. Okay, for those my assisting student, then I teach you the buku text and then ask you to edit my right. Okay, ask you to edit the buku text, correct? Ah. So you see, this one is the other one pattern. Okay. So this one you see, this is the buku dunai. Okay, but for my one is the easiest one. So which is only provide you the perkataan sahaja. Okay. So or in your exam, right, maybe giving you a bit harder. So which is provide you the buku dunai. Okay, or the third pattern, which means only giving you the buku catatan pertama. Buku catatan pertama. Wait a while, loading. Okay, so like this one. Page buku text page 185 for my assisting students. So sure I teach you already. Even here, ask you to ledger to account post to the ledger, right? So for question 2, teacher teach you 2 pattern, correct? So the one pattern is follow the soalan. I don't amended the soalan. Okay, so the other pattern, which is here teacher change to account kawalan belum terima, account kawalan belum bayar. Okay, so which means for the account kawalan, you got the 3 pattern. I just can say for your final exam form 4 students, so 100% will come out account kawalan in your final year. But I can't estimate because I'm not the god. I can't estimate your school teacher teach keluar exam pattern apa. Pattern from the buku catatan pertama or mixed together with the buku dunai only. So or only the this one, which is got the 3 pattern again. One only provide you the buku catatan pertama, ask you to do the account kawalan. Second, fully perkataan, ask you to do the account kawalan. Third, right, the pattern, which is the question, got provide you the perkataan also and the buku tunai. So this is the third pattern. Okay, so if you want to learn this one, right, if not mistake, I already upload to the YouTube. Okay, so maybe you can personal message teacher, you wish to see the how to do this one. I'm not going to teach you by this way. Maybe in February, teacher also got organized the school holiday program. So for those who interest, maybe later on, then teacher will keep the record and then I will send you the details in February. Okay, so in February, mostly teacher will give this one. Okay, we'll teach the others a bit. Okay, okay, now we learn the easiest a bit, the easiest one, okay? Wait now, so you have to got this habit now, okay? So make sure then you minimize the form the figure. Okay. Okay, so now you see sediakan account kawalan belum terima dan account kawalan belum bayar. Please write down yourself. Okay, some of your school teacher, they don't call account kawalan belum terima. I mean the exam paper. Okay, so actually account kawalan belum terima, it is similar with another name called account kawalan ledger jualan. Okay. Please write down. So the other one, account kawalan belum bayar. So maybe in paper 2, they change to ask you to do account kawalan ledger belian. Okay, remember, okay, don't like your in the exam, right? So asking you to do the account kawalan ledger jualan, then you start already, you don't know how to do it. Okay, so using the same formula, same format for the kawalan belum terima and the kawalan, if ask you ledger belian, so you give the answer similar with the belum bayar. Understand, yeah? Okay, you see, so you got this note also. You see this one is the easiest one. Easiest one, so you just copy paste, you make sure put you run in debit or credit, then you just write down the figure, right? Okay, but why here the RM column for my note here, a lot of the statement, okay, a lot of the explanation over here, because this one is ready and combined, ready for you to learn the other a bit soalan, and for me to easiest to explain to you how to do if the soalan from the buku catatan pertama, then do it to the account kawalan. Okay, so for you, for those who like too free in the house, so you can try to do your buku text just now I mentioned. So then of course you can read a bit, because some of students, they thought, ayo, too many sentence here, I don't want, I wait for the teacher. Okay, so this is your option, your choice. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now going to we ready the account kawalan already. So maklumat yang berikut dipetik daripada buku Syarikat Lalita bagi bulan November 2x5. Okay? Okay, so you must label your question and label the company name every time. Okay. Okay, so now, so please remember, you see here, ledger, jualan, and then ledger, belian, isn't it? So please remember ledger jualan, which means all the information ledger jualan record to the belum terima. All the information ledger belian record to the belum bayar. Understand? Okay. Okay, come to this one. You see, this two is ledger jualan. Ledger jualan. It is same as the belum terima. Belum terima. So we go to find our belum terima format. So you see. So this one is a baki. Can you see the keyword baki? Baki. So baki, we got the two baki, right? One is the baki BB. The other one is the baki HB, isn't it? So this one is the 1st November. First, of course, is the BB. Maybe you'll ask, Okay, teacher, here got the two BB word. So which one I should put? Okay, so this is the reason why teacher explained you here. Okay, so if you refer the Google text, right? So giving you the giving you the format, but here it is cross, cross, cross. Then sometimes you don't know where to put, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so this one, you see, when the question mentioned debit, then put debit. Don't understand? Read again. So question mentioned debit. Yes, Lord, this one question mentioned debit. Excuse me. This one mentioned question debit. So you put the debit, 3980. Okay. Date 2x5. Done. Okay, okay, so and then going to 60 here, you see credit, right? Credit, right? So you see one question mentioned credit. So put credit. So here mention credit, and then you put credit, Baki. So 60. So X5, November 1st. Okay, yeah? Okay, next, continue. Where is it? Okay, so after that, bagi debit dalam ledger belian. Going to the ledger belian already. So, belian always 100% belum bayar. So, we go to search up our belum bayar. Okay, and then keyword bagi. Keyword bagi. So, debit credit, right? So BB, correct? Okay. So after that, follow lah. You see, when the question mentioned debit, then debit. So you see debit. So 80, you put it here, debit. Okay. So next, continue. Bagi kredit dalam ledger belian 6,150. So you see credit, right? So credit, then credit. So you write down here 6150. For those who know how to do, then you can do earlier. Do yourself first. Okay, next, this one done already. Then going to the 30th November. So which means all put 30th. Okay. So after that, you see belian tunai. Everyone come. Who can answer teacher? Belian tunai, we should record to the debit side or the credit side or no need or both. Come. Belian tunai, we should record to the debit, credit, no need, both side. Who can answer teacher? Okay, Adam, very good. Oh, Adam, you to the public. Yeah, no need, okay? Why? Because you see, account kawalan belum bayar. Please highlight on your note there. Okay, only take the belian credit. But this one is a belian tunai. So this one no need. So like your objective question, right? Some you no need to use it, even provide you the information. Understand, yeah? Okay. So we just record the belian credit to our credit side. Okay. So write down here belian. In our account belum bayar. Don't put the wrong account. So which is a 1767. Understand here? Only belian credit. Okay. So now continue. Bayaran tunai kepada pembekal. Pembekal. So please write down yourself. Okay, pembekal. Then we record to the. Once you see the pembekal, then it is equals to account belum bayar. Okay, so if pelanggan, so it is equals to account belum terima. You see keyword pembekal, so which means record to the kawalan belum bayar. So record to the debit or credit keyword tunai. Bayaran tunai. So record to the debit or credit, everyone. Record to the kawalan belum bayar. So can you see here? Debit. Okay, because you are pembekal, right? Pembekal, of course, belum bayar. So we record to the debit. So you see, can you see here? Bayar, then tunai kepada pembekal. Can you see the small figure here? A small letter here. So then if you hear tunai, right? So we write down tunai. Write down here tunai. Then 12090. Maybe some of you then you answer credit side. Okay, please everyone, you don't confuse. Okay, so you are doing the account kawalan belum bayar. You are doing the account kawalan belum bayar. You are not doing the buku tunai. If you are doing the buku tunai, yes, it's true. Record to the credit side. Record to the credit side because buku tunai. Yeah, I show you here. Okay, so because buku dunai, then it's true. Okay, buku dunai is for the terima wang, bayar wang. Buku dunai, terima wang, bayar wang. So debit side is terima wang. Credit side is bayar wang. Okay, so if you are doing the buku dunai format, it's true. So you write down to the credit side, write down ABB, account belum bayar. But now you are not doing buku tunai. You are doing account kawalan belum bayar. So opposite. Okay. Here write down account belum bayar ma. Here credit ma. Come to the your account here, own account here. So debit side lo catatan bergu. Understand? So don't confusing Okay, because different account, different function, different answer. Can? Okay, so before I go through, so please update teacher, what is the difference in between berlian tunai and berlian credit? Who can answer teacher? Berlian tunai and berlian credit. What does it mean? Does it mean berlian credit, it is a pay by the credit card? Am I right? Am I right? Berlian credit, which means is the berlian secara hutang. Berlian secara hutang. Okay, not paid by the credit card lah. Okay, not by the pay by the credit card. Please. Okay. So berlian hutang, which means you already purchased the barang. You already get the barang, but you not payment yet. Already get the barang. Okay, already beli barang, but you're not no payment yet. Okay, so please remember. Okay, so what does it mean? What does it mean berlian tunai? Please write down yourself. Okay, so for those like monthly student, weekly student, right? So you will be see is for the school holiday program. So we'll further details, more details, and then more harder a bit, right? Okay, so because too many message I want to deliver to you during the class. Okay, that one is the new for you. So I can't deliver too much. Okay, just deliver the important one. So this one is a bit at once. So already beli. For berlian tunai, which means is you beli barang. Beli secara tunai. Secara tunai and dengan tunai is different meaning. It's not mean that beli dengan tunai. Okay. So please. Okay. So this one until form 5. Okay. So which means is on the spot make payment. On the spot make payment. Which means you already beli barang. Already beli. And already pay at the same time. Okay. So you can pay by, okay, tunai. You can pay by check. You can pay by Touch and Go, e-wallet. You can pay by any else? Grab Pay, right? Alright, okay. So as long as you on the spot make payment, you can pay by credit card also. Understand, yeah? Okay. So now go through continue. So discount diberi record to which account? Belum bayar or belum terima? Come. Discount diberi. Belum bayar or belum terima? Discount diberi. Diberi. Can you see here? Okay. Diberi record to the account kawalan belum terima sebelah kredit. Sebelah kredit. Fix already the formula. Yeah, not possible, then you don't know how to do, and then you lost the mark. It should be must get full marks if question come out in the exam. Okay, discount diterima. So opposite side loh, belum bayar, and then debit side. 185. Okay, check diterima daripada pelanggan. Remember you see pelanggan. Just now teacher explained to you already. Pelanggan. Pelanggan is equals to ABT, ABT, BT, BT. So you go to the account kawalan belum terima. Okay, you go to refer your kawalan belum terima, right? Okay, so you see check, right? Got bank, right? So maybe you can see both side also got a bank. Debit side, credit side, you got. Okay, so please, you see, read the instruction here. Okay, here is check diterima. It is same meaning with the menerima check. Check diterima, same with the menerima check. So then, which means we record to the credit side. Okay, we record to the credit side. Okay, yeah. Okay, so but you see for this figure, it is included the hutang lapor terboleh 192. Hutang lapor terboleh 192. Can you see this one? Teacher already remarked to you, for this account, no need record PHR hutang lapor terboleh. Cannot included PHR, cannot included hutang lapor terboleh. But this figure, which is already included, how to do? Which means minus no? 192. Who can give me the answer? Equals to how much? Who can give me 1, 4, 5, 8. Oh, okay. Thanks, Adam. Okay, so now, okay, thanks, Ani. Okay, now continue. Jualan tunai. Jualan tunai. You go to search up. Jualan. So you see, yes, jualan in the account kawalan belum terima. So please read here and highlight here. Only take the jualan credit. But this one is a jualan tunai. So no need record, skip it. Going to jualan credit, yes. So we should and we must record. Write down here, 24240. Okay, next continue. Discount the check talaku. Can you see the check talaku over here? The down one, check tak laku, right? Okay, in the debit side, Kawalan belum terima also, you write down the bank. You want to bracket check tak laku, or you don't want to bracket, up to you. At least you must show bank here. You must show the bank over here. Okay, and with the figure correct, 740. Okay, yeah? Okay, yeah? Okay, next continue. Discount dibatalkan. Can you see here? Discount dibatalkan. You may just write down discount only, or you may write down discount diberi dibatalkan, or you may write down discount dibatalkan. Also acceptable, up to you. Okay, so write down here 1440. Pulangan belian, so belian mah. Of course, record to the account kawalan belum bayar. Can you see the pulangan belian? Here, debit side. You are doing the account kawalan belum bayar. Don't make confused, okay? Don't use the catatan bergu and then apply to this account kawalan, different, okay? So write down here pulangan belian. Pulangan belian how much? 1440, 1440 again. 1440. My discount didapat, 75. Tapi I check it. Okay, hutang lapuk. Hutang lapuk, yes, in your account kawalan belum terima. This one, hutang lapuk, can you see? Hutang lapuk, credit side. So write down here, hutang lapuk. Okay, 150. Maybe you ask, teacher, why just now you say hutang lapuk in debit side? Because asking you the catatan bergu, okay? But now it is account kawalan, okay, okay? Okay, next continue. Faedah dikenakan kepada pelanggan. You see pelanggan. So pelanggan 100% belum terima. Just now teacher explained to you already. Pelanggan record to the ABT, belum terima. So pelanggan. Okay, faedah. So we go check it here, debit side. You see pelanggan, belum terima. Faedah, angkutan. So you record to the debit side. Which is the 110.40. Okay. Next, kulangan jualan. So you see your jualan in debit side, right? Okay, here. So kulangan jualan in credit side, opposite. Okay, don't combine with your catatan berdua. Okay, you are doing the account kawalan. So please just refer the account kawalan formula and do it. So you see pulangan jualan in credit side. Okay, credit side. How much? 234. And next, angkutan dikenakan oleh pembekal. So keyword, you see pembekal, right? So pembekal, it is ABB. So you go to check your ABB. Okay. Angkutan. So sebelah credit side. ABB, credit side. So you copy paste, angkutan. So 246. Next, pindahan dari ledger belian ke ledger jualan dan pindahan dari ledger jualan ke ledger belian. This one, please everyone put a big star and the take note there. Big star, take note there. Okay, pindahan it is with the contract. Can you see here? No matter you pindahan from which one, pindahan to which one. So then record to the contract. One pindahan equals to one contract. Here, two pindahan, which means you got the two contract. Understand? So account kawalan belum bayar, then you write down here debit side contract 2 times. Okay, contract 2 times, which is 75, 60. 75 and then 60. Understand? So again, you see here contra, right? So please everyone put a big star there. contra, both account must record. You see, you got a one more contra. Contra in sebelah debit, contra in sebelah credit, both side. Okay, you see kawalan in debit side, right? Okay, for your belum bayar. So should write down another contra, record to the kawalan belum terima, both side. Okay, 60. Both account must record. Both account must record. Please highlight after your remark. Okay. And then the last one, baki credit dalam ledger jualan. You see, ledger jualan. Ledger jualan is equals to belum terima. Belum terima. Okay. Baki credit. Credit. Right. Okay. So you refer here, belum terima. Okay. Can you see the baki? So baki, we got a both side, debit and credit. Can you see here? Question mentioned baki AQ credit. Why you know this is AQ? Because 30th, under the 30th November. So this is the credit side. So write down here. Okay. So which means here, copy here. So which is a 70. And then write down here, baki HP. Understand? So please remember, yeah? Okay, yeah? So I will stop here. I want you to try to close account for both account and redo again. And please tomorrow teacher will continue add on the other two, which is the jumlah belian and the jumlah jualan. So for the how to do it, actually in the note teacher provide you already for the jumlah jualan and jumlah belian, how to do. Okay, if can, not can. So tomorrow I will going to continue this one. This is the catatan bergu chapter 5 must come out in the paper 1. Paper 1 ABCD. Actually, paper 1 is for you to option ma. So objective ma, choose ma ABCD. But this one, so also might not might ask you in the paper 2 question 1. So please do it. There's one for those don't know how to do, or maybe you prefer refer. You can refer the chapter 5, these 2 pages. Go to check the account and the keyword. Okay. And of course, do one more page. There's one. This one also Akaun Kawalan. Akaun Kawalan. Okay. So please do it. Paper 1 must ask you also. Okay. So tomorrow teacher will continue these 2 pages and the close account for your kawalan belum terima. Can? Okay. So see you see you tomorrow. Bye everyone. Have a good day. Bye. Welcome. Bye. Hello, good morning, everyone. So let's start our class now, yeah? Okay, so we continue this one. We are group class because as I know not all of you then you able to complete all the answer then on during the class, right? Okay, so teacher always upload the Google Drive, okay? So usually it's in the afternoon or after the class. This one usually is at 12 o'clock like that lah. Okay, so for those like after 12 o'clock still didn't receive the Google Drive, right? The video, so please do PM teacher. If I didn't reply your message, please WhatsApp teacher, WhatsApp call teacher. Okay, yeah? Okay, so now because sometimes then you must know how to do it, this one, because next year, chapter 2, chapter 6 will be gonna to use again. Okay, now then we try to close account. Who done already, then maybe you can give me the answer. Who quit already, Okay, give you the total for the account kawalan belum terima. Nobody give you the answer. Who can give you the answer? The total account kawalan belum terima, or all of you calculating now? Hello. 29255. Okay, thanks everyone. 29255. Okay, so after that, 29255, so minus the small column, so minus 60 until 75. So how much left? Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so now 13x66, right? Okay, so if 13x66, you minus the, which means you use your this one 29255 minus the credit sign, okay, that equals to 13x66. So your 13x66 here, then here credit, come to here debit, okay, so switch, you must move it right down here bagi BB, they are the couple, the other one couple, okay, so which means you must show both side, then you got one marks, okay. So you see your debit side, right? You still got the bagi HP here. See, this one, right? So here debit, come to here credit. Then you write down here bagi BB. After that 70. Okay, yeah. Okay, so next continue. How much total account kawalan belum bayar? Account kawalan belum bayar. 24066 or 24201. 24066, right? Okay, so write down here 24066. Okay, very good. And then minus your debit side, the total debit starting from 80 minus until 75. So how much? 10136. Okay, thanks everyone. Yes, okay, thanks. Ken? December. So Baki, BB, after that 10136. Anna, here debit, because your HP in debit, so you move to the BB credit. Okay, so this is the 1 marks. Of course, this one is the easiest account. Okay, it's easiest than the AP than your PKK, the Monday and Tuesday we did. Okay, we learn for this account, right? Of course, the marks is not more than this one so this one maximum just like 20 marks for if you want to know the SPM standard. So for this question, it's true last year come out already, so that's why for those SPM student this year, right, SPM 2023, so I don't giving you the section B for the paper 2 because last year SPM 2022 already come out. So if you want to know more for this mark for the SPM standard, just around 12 marks only, 12 marks. Can? So for Form 4 Form 4 only, Form 4, 12 marks. If come to the Form 5, Chapter 2, Chapter 6, just now teacher said these two account will be reused in your Chapter 2 and Chapter 6. So if ask you to do just around 2 to 3 marks sahaja. Kenya. Okay, so for now we teachers still got additional to you, right? So I want you to write down. I want you to find the jumlah jualan and the jumlah belian. How much is it? Okay. So please drop it down yourself. I write down here to you. How to find the Jumlah Jualan. Actually, it's in the notes there. So I'm not going to show you which page, blah, blah, blah. Because you all put the star already, right? So you drop it down here. And then after that, you go to find the note. Which one is the, then you put the star back. Okay? So Jumlah Jualan, who know? Come. Who know? Who know Jumlah Jualan, how to find? Kaichi, Maheswari, Naru, Rashidan, Sophia, Junsheng, Wei Yi, Wong Rong. Anything else? Come. I call your name because I teach you before. Not only one time. And then who can give me the answer? Jumlah Jualan. How to find? You may short form. You may short form. Give me the formula. Or you may unmute yourself. Which is the JJ plus J jualan tunai. Okay, so jualan credit. Okay, you may find it in your JJ, which is a journal jualan, or you may find it in your account kawalan belum terima. Two-way plus jualan tunai. Okay, jualan tunai, so which means you find from your buku tunai, and then sebelah debit, and then perkataan jualan. So that one is the jualan tunai. Maybe you'll ask, oh, teacher, too complicated. So actually it's true one, which is the jualan credit plus your jualan tunai. For the bracket one, equals to the jumlah jualan, okay? So for the bracket one is teacher teach you where to find the jualan credit. Teach you where to find the jualan tunai. Understand? Okay, before I go through, could you, all of you to answer teacher, what is the meaning of jualan credit? Actually, yesterday or what is the meaning of jualan credit? Who can answer teacher? What is the meaning of jualan credit? Jualan credit, which means is jualan secara hutang. Yesterday we did already. Yes. Okay. Yesterday we learned already, right? So Juan, you see, it is actually same as the belian credit. But the jualan credit, which means is the jualan secara hutang, which means you already sell the barang to your clients, but you not received yet. Okay. Not received the credit card. So that one we call the jualan credit. So you got a two-way to find. Okay. Either you find from your journal jualan, or you'll find from the account kawalan belum terima. Okay, so you see this one is your account kawalan belum terima lor. So please, maybe you drop it down yourself. Okay, so for the account kawalan belum terima, right? For the inside here, wait, inside here, right? So this one is the jualan. Is it mean that it is jualan credit? As long as the jualan show in the account kawalan belum terima. Again, jualan in the account kawalan belum terima. It says jualan hutang. Jualan credit. So just now you did, which is a 24240. So you write down here, lor, 24240. Okay. Okay, so you write down here RN 24240 plus. So jualan tunai. So you may refer the buku tunai, but this soalan don't have the buku tunai, right? So can you see the jualan tunai over here? Right, you got right. So jualan tunai. So which is 12780. Am I right? Wait now, 12780. So you write down here, lor. Okay, who can give me the answer? 37020. Yes, okay. So this will be 1 marks, maximum 2 marks. Mostly it's a 1 marks. Of course, maybe you ask, teacher, so why you give me too much bracket here? It's too complicated lah. Since the soalan got provide the jualan tunai and the jualan credit ma. So I direct total this one lah. Right? Yeah, can too. But because remember, for me, teacher will provide you more details because I'm not only teaching you the paper two, which means even I teach you the paper two here, right? Okay, but for the formula can be used in the paper one, can be used in the paper one. And please remember, there's one mostly in exam paper one, they will ask you 100% at least they ask you the account kawalan belum terima, or mostly it's ask you jualan credit how much. Okay, so you have to find using the account kawalan and then to do the quick format and then to find out the jualan credit. Understand in the paper one. Okay, so and then for this one, because for this formula for your next year form 5 chapter 2 and chapter 6 also. So for chapter 2 and chapter 6, you will gonna to use and then you will be using the bracket way to find it. So you see, jualan tunai is right. So tunai ma. So which means you sell something, maybe you sell something to the teacher, and then you on the spot receive from money from the teacher. That one we call jualan tunai. No matter touch and go, debit card, credit card, please. Okay, do until form 5 and then until trial exam, until before the SPM, then you still do not able to answer me what is the meaning of the jualan tunai and jualan credit. Okay, even the soalan mostly they don't ask you when you are trial exam and the SPM seminar, they don't ask you the meaning, right? Okay, but you must understand it is helpful you to do the paper two. Okay, so I prove to you, you see buku tunai ma, why find in the buku tunai? Because jualan tunai. No matter you receive cash or check, so must show in the buku tunai. So and then you draw, of course you receive the money, then refer the debit. So debit here you got a loss, right? You see you got a BB la, bank la, pak liu la, commission, as long as you receive the money. So, but you want to find the jualan tunai, that's why you just pay the jualan, how much is it, like that. Okay, so for more, maybe you can in form 5 chapter 2 you will be learn more details and learn more harder. If you don't want, maybe you can go through for those who got purchased some books, right, the chapter 4 the form 4 booklet. Okay, maybe you can go to try it because yesterday teacher share you already ma. For your form 4 final exam must come out this one. Okay, this topic just got the 3 pattern question. So I can't guarantee come out which pattern. Okay, so for more details, then you refer back to yesterday video. Okay, yeah? Okay, now come through the jumlah berian. Okay. So jumlah berian, jumlah berian credit plus your berian tunai. Okay, so this is simple formulas, right? Okay, you understand berian credit plus berian tunai, which means the total berian, no? Total purchase law. So yesterday you know already, ma, right? Okay, so you see berian credit, which means it's a berian hutang. Already get the barang, already purchased, but you're not yet payment. Okay, so for the berian tunai, which means it's a berian secara tunai, you already beli dan pay together at the same time. Okay, no matter tunai, check, cash and go, grab pay, as long as you still got the outstanding, that one we call but no matter you pay by cash, check, cash and go, grab pay, credit card, debit card, right? Online transfer, TT, right? Okay, so that one called berian tunai. So for more details, sometimes, okay, berian credit, you have to find yourself, like the paper one, ABCD, they ask you to find, they're giving you the short butiran here, and then ask you to find the jumlah berian, and then giving you ABCD, the figure. So even you know this one berian credit plus berian tunai, right? But you still need to know how to find your brilliant credit. Where to find your brilliant credit? You got the two options. Either you'll find in the journal brilliant or the account kawalan belum bayar. Depends lah. So soalan provide you journal brilliant, then of course you take journal brilliant, not take it from. Otherwise, then you have to do your own. Okay, like yesterday we did this format. Where is it? This format. Okay, we did yesterday this format. Okay, so how about the brilliant tunai? As long as the tunai, right? So of course, buku tunai sebelah kredit and then berian. Perkataan berian. Understand, yeah? Okay, so come back to this soalan now. Okay, so berian credit, berian credit, right? Okay, so berian credit, how much? So you see berian credit. So please drop it down yourself. For the account kawalan belum bayar, the berian 17670, it means that credit, okay? So 17670. So right down here, RM 17670 plus berian tunai. So you may find from your buku tunai. But since this soalan don't have a tunai ma, so they give directly ma, right? Buku tunai 7416. So you write down here lo, 7416. Yeah, yeah. Could I give you the answer final? 176. 25086. Okay, so remember to put RM. Okay, otherwise then you can't. You lost 1 mark. You lost 1 mark. Understand? Can you see me? Is it? Okay. So can ya? So this one, remember for this one, of course, this one is the 2 marks, 2 marks lah, which is the jumlah jualan 1 marks, jumlah belian 1 marks. In exam, then you no need to show the formula because this one is not in your, the formula is not showing in your buku text ma, right? So that's why in exam you can directly, only 1 marks, then you can directly do the calculation and give the final answer. So for your one, for those who didn't memorize yet the account kawalan, of course, you don't go to the memorize this one first lah. Okay. So because the account kawalan is the important, more important than the formulas. This one formulas. Understand? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, now everyone. So for those who still sleepy, please